If you are thinking about starting your SMMA and you feel like it cannot be too easy, the content online says that you need to start right now, you need to start selling and everything will be great, just cold call, you will be able to fulfill everything, deliver it, but it doesn't sit right with you, then in this video I will explain why and what you can do in order to actually succeed in SMMA. We'll go through the ways on how to establish yourself as an expert in digital marketing, so then you will be able to be a trusted partner and you will be able to deliver value to your clients. Although before we start, if you appreciate all of the work that goes into videos like this, it will help tremendously if you'll push that like button and subscribe to this channel. That's all I ask for. Thank you so much and let's dive into it. Social media marketing agencies right now are super hot and everyone tries to push their agenda, their specific way, their sales strategy, how to make cold calls and etc. for this niche. And the problem is that it has been marketed as the easiest,
disclaimer not,
business that you can start making money online, remotely and as a beginner. But to do that you actually need to acquire some specific skills and acquire a deep understanding on what it is you're selling and why people want to buy it and how to deliver results. Or at least be able to manage subcontractors, your workers or freelancers that work for you and understand what they are doing and if they are not scamming you. Usually this part is not mentioned in the video you watch and just minimized to words like watch some courses or learn how to run Facebook ads on YouTube, etc. If that was that easy, no business would hire you. What gurus are trying to teach you is that there is a new scheme where you basically dropship the services, so you don't have to do any work, you don't have to understand anything, you just go and sell with like some nice pre-written cold email, cold call, whatever it is, then demo a product that you basically don't understand what you are talking about, and then someone else will deliver the service and you will make profit of it. While it seems like a great idea and it can actually work for a client too, it's not really scalable. Every digital marketing or social media marketing agency that I know at some point did that. They used subcontractors, so basically they were white labeling someone else's work. But guess what? No one is doing that anymore. You see, unless you own the product, or in this case a service, you will be in the mercy of this subcontractor. So if they decide to raise their prices, or if they decide to quit out of business and retire, or if they will just start screwing up your account, it's you who will be responsible and you won't be able to do anything except to switch the subcontractor or freelancer, and this is where you will lose your clients. What I'm trying to say is that to minimize the stress and ensure that you deliver the results to your clients and everyone is happy, you need to become a product. They are buying you and they're buying the results that you promise. And as every product there is, you need some research and development. Like with every new niche or every new business you start, you first need to dive deeper and understand what it is that people want and what results you can guarantee them and what you can do for them and how. So the first step would be to understand the fundamentals of the business. Try to absorb the basic knowledge about digital marketing and get some certifications. We will need them for step 2. Before you will be able to do any marketing, either with Google ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Twitter ads, LinkedIn ads, Reddit ads, whatever it is, you need to understand the basics and fundamentals, because all of these platforms, all of different medias or channels, they work on the same principles. Do you know what is CPC, CTR, conversion rate, ROAS, MER, etc.? If any of these words got you confused, you are not ready to start SMMA. If you want to do it as fast as possible or you don't have time to spend a year learn digital marketing, here are the 3 concepts that I would like you to learn first. Number 1 is traffic and funnel temperature. You need to understand what is tofu, mofu, bofu and all of these things, and if you think that tofu is some vegan stuff, you're not ready to start SMMA. Next thing that everyone skips is tracking and attribution. You need to understand what you count as conversion and why. You need to understand how to use Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics and other services like Norsebeam in order to get as close to the complete attribution as possible. And the point number 3 that I would like you to focus on is technicals and campaign building. You should know how to navigate within the dashboards like Facebook ads, what to click, how to set up the campaign and what results to expect once it's done, like what's the verification process like, what to do if your ads will be declined, etc. Also, this is where you learn the best software for social media marketing agencies there is, high level. I've been working on high level for 4 years. I remember when it was just a beta, when there was basically no affiliates or whatsoever. So it's really exciting for me right now to see how it grows. If you're at this step and you're ready to learn high level and start your free trial, I dropped my affiliate link in the description below. If you will use that, it will support the channel a lot. The step number 2 to becoming an expert and a trusted partner to your clients, and you're probably gonna hate it and you might close the video after that, is go work for someone. I know it doesn't sound fancy, I know you want your own thing, you want independent, etc. But this is the right way to do that. I remember Alex Harmozy mentioned it in one of his videos. Once he decided that he would like to start a gym, the first thing he did, he went ahead and worked for other guy in his gym. What it will actually do is allow you to learn the whole process within. Not only you will see how they generate clients, how they fulfill their services, how they drive results, how they build case studies, how they do their own marketing, but you will also get paid doing that. If you are serious about starting your social media marketing agency or digital marketing agency or any agency at all, dedicate 3 to 6 months to this. And if you do it right, not only they will be happy for you to work there, but also once you quit, they will refer clients to you, and this could be your first clients in your own agency. And if you still think that you just will go and start your own SMMA because you will make more money like that, etc., think twice. Majority of new SMMA owners usually make less than their employees in the beginning. Because guess what? A solid digital marketing specialist costs a lot. And without a solid one, you have nothing to sell. And the step 3 will be to niche down. Now that you know some digital marketing, you have some experience, work with some clients, seen some niches already, this is when you will be able to choose a niche to which you want to go into and own it as a social media marketing agency. The best case scenario, the niche you will choose needs to fall under the following criteria. First of all, it needs to be personal. That will ensure that you really care about this niche and the results that you make for your clients. Let's say you had problem with acne. Why not go ahead and help local dermatologists to serve people with the same problem? You already know the services they provide, the procedures, the value of this offer, the features of different equipment, etc. So it will be much easier for you to promote and sell it. Next, it needs to be specific. Majority of people should not even know about your niche. That's why it's called niche. For example, landscaping alone is not a niche, it's more of a sector of an industry. But something like cactus removal within this sector is a niche. And the last thing is that it needs to be profitable. You want to scale businesses, not build them. Your customers should already have clients, they already should be able to get them out of somewhere. That will indicate a product market fit and will make your job much easier. Preferably about 4 signed clients that you generate for your client needs to break even your service. So meaning is that if you are charging $1,000 per month for your services, your client should be getting at least $250 profit from the clients they are making. So by this point, you already should be a killer partner for any local business. You will understand their pains, you will understand how to solve them with different digital marketing strategies, how to set everything up, and then based on that you will be able to start growing. Once you pair that with some software like Go High Level, with several VAs, etc., this is where you will achieve your successful social media marketing agency. So this is the time of the video where you go ahead into the comments below and ask any questions that got you confused, or if you didn't like anything in here and still watching, then anyways, go in and tell me what's wrong. If you found this video valuable, please subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and have a great day. Bye.